It's so nice to be out here in the garden, isn't it, sweetie?
Yes, Mom. I love how colorful everything is. Look at all the pretty flowers.
I know, right? The roses are especially beautiful this year. Do you want to help me water them?
Sure. Can I use a little watering can?
Of course you can. Here you go. Just be careful not to splash too much.
Okay, Mom. I'll be very careful. Can we plant some seeds too?
That sounds like a great idea. We can plant some sunflower seeds. They grow so tall and bright.
Yay! I can't wait to see them grow. This is so much fun.
It really is. Spending time in the garden with you makes it even more special. Look, here comes your dad with some new plants. What do you think?
Ooh, what kind of plants are they, Dad?
Hi, sweetheart. These are some new tomato plants. We can plant them in the vegetable patch.
Tomato plants. I love tomatoes. Can I help plant them too?
Absolutely, you can help. We'll need to dig some holes and put the plants in. Want to try digging with the small shovel?
Yes, please. I love using the little shovel. Can we plant them now?
Sure thing. Let's get started. Your mom and I will show you how to do it.
We can make it a family project. It'll be fun to watch them grow together.
This is going to be the best garden ever. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
You're welcome, sweetheart. We're glad you're enjoying it.
Look, there's our little puppy. It seems to be curious about what we're doing.
Hi, puppy. Can we let him play in the garden with us?
Sure, but let's make sure he doesn't dig up the plants. We can keep an eye on him.
Okay, I will be the puppy watcher. Can he help us plant the tomatoes too?
He can help by keeping us company. Let's start with the first plant. Dig a hole about this deep, sweetheart.
Okay, I will dig a hole for the tomato plant.
Now, carefully place the plant in the hole, and we'll fill it with soil.
I'm putting the plant in the hole. Can I pat the soil around it, Dad?
Yes, you can pat it gently. Make sure the plant is steady.
I can't wait to see the tomatoes grow, and Puppy can help us watch over them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.